This question is really straightforward. It might seem tricky, but the answer clearly is 0. So why? Let's recall that if a is less than b, integral a to b ft dt is greater than 0 if right. So now first point to notice is that x tan inverse x is greater than equals to 0 for all x, because when x is less than 0, tan inverse x is also less than 0. The second thing is uh, then this becomes 0 to some positive number p of ft dt, where ft is equals to e to the power t minus cos t upon 1 plus. So again, as p is greater than 0, this condition is satisfied. This condition is satisfied. This condition is satisfied. And for t in 0 to p, that is for positive t, clearly this thing is also greater than 0. So this condition is also satisfied. So that means this. So that means this thing is greater than equals to 0. And p is equals to x tan inverse x. That gives us that p can be 0 at x equals to 0. So the minimum value of this function is 0. I mean, this is really straightforward. And yeah.